I will show you how you can earn up to 30 to 50,000 every single month from this site. So the name of this site is called Upwork. It's called Nairawoker, and all what you have to do is to go to your browser and search for this. And when you search, you log in or you register. So let me take you through the process of registering in Nairawoker. So Nairawoker is a site that is available to Nigerians, and you can do small jobs there and you get paid. So it's legit and it's everything. So I've already actually created an account and I've done some tasks. So let me show you. So you click here. When you click here, it takes you down to the dashboard. We have profile there, we have available jobs, and we have wallet, and we have accounts. So let's go on available jobs. So you will see the jobs that you can do and earn money. So if you come down to this place, you see this job here, just to download Temu app. And so this is the job here, or this tax here is 800 naira. That's what you get paid. That is, if you are paid 800 naira to 1000 naira every single day, that is in a month, there's a very high guarantee that you're getting like 30,000 to 40,000 from this particular site, Nairawoker. So let's click on this video and let's see, and I'll show you what you are required to do. So this is what you do. So they said here that what's expected from workers. It says share this 3 step with someone, maybe a friend who has not downloaded Temu app on their phone before. So you can actually invite people that have not yet been using Temu app. So this is the link it will give to you. So another way to accept invitations. So let's just skip this part. So just come to approve. So this is what is required. Send a screenshot of your profile. After you download Temu app from this link here, then after you download the app and set up your account and accept the invitation. And this is instruction here on how to accept the invitation. And after you be accepted, then you take a screenshot of your profile and you come down to this place and choose file and drop your file there. So that is how it works here. So that is how this tax is. So most of the tax, so let's go back to to available jobs again. So most of the tax, they have different requirements. So let's click this Gonzine airdrop and let's see what we have. So if you come down to here, so after the airdrop, you click here to enter the website, then click on the Gun airdrop on the site. After which you enter your Ethereum wallet address, then you are set to receive the airdrop. So what you do, write your username. That's all. To write your username, you just come to this prompt here and you just write it. That's all. So let's go back. Let me show you another way you can earn money. So another way to make money from this Nairawoker is to come to post job here. I will show you. This is where you post job is where you give people job to do for you. So and you can give people job. You want to sign up for something. You want people to sign up for something, so you can give people jobs. And you want people to follow you on TikTok, Instagram. You can give them job to do. They will follow you, and you pay for the job. And on that thing again, WhatsApp and Telegram, YouTube, Twitter, X, Facebook, and also we have right and honest review product service. Then we have mobile application, Android and iPhone. And we also have survey forum. So let's say I want I want I want like let me come to Facebook. I need like Facebook followers now. Because for it will take me down to this place here, category, subcategory. Then I will need to put the number of people I need. Let me say I need like 20 people or 1,000 people to follow me on my Facebook. Then I'll come over to work and said, okay, I'll be paying these people. I'll be paying 1,000 people. Not 10,000, 1,000 people. I'll be paying the sum of like, let me say 15 naira. So let me calculate this one. So you can actually input the price you want to pay. You understand? So because I feel like if the money you are paying is very high, people will do that job very fast. But if you're paying a low percentage of money, people will hardly do that job. So let me go with total cost. Now we need about 53,600 naira to be able to post this particular job. Now this is the money that I will pay, that will cover. I will have 1,000. I will pay each of the persons that will take the job. I will pay each one how much. Um, each of the 10,000 people, I will pay them 50 naira. Now let me come over to my calculator here, and I'm just coming. Where's my calculator? Let me come over to my calculator here, and let me say 15 naira now times 1,000 people. That is how much? 50,000. Now you can see that the gain that these people are getting here is 600 naira. 600 naira plus the estimated plus the fee. You have a fee of 100 naira to pay. So let me say, okay, I want to like this one. I want to pay this 1,000 people. Let me say 10 naira, 10 naira, and let me see total cost of 10 naira. If it's 10 naira, I will now pay 10,800. So you can see the magic there. So that is how you can actually pay people to do your job, to follow you on Instagram, and just like that. So, and if maybe for example, when we think about freelancer, like freelancer, not freelance, sorry, we want to talk about affiliate link. You know, you bring people and you are being paid for the number of people you bring. So I think if you see a good like this download, it's okay if you can bring somebody to download that so videos, so you can also make money from here through that. You understand? Maybe now OPay is offering to pay you 4,000 naira per one person you bring. So you come over to here and register OPay, and put the amount of people you want to register. So I think there too you can still make some good money from this place. So affiliate link can actually work here. So that's just all for this site. Well, this site is very legit and very, very legit, because why I say it's legit is because number one, it has a feature that the site does not pay you directly. You understand? So this site is the people that use the site. These are the people that pay. After doing all the jobs, I will need to withdraw. So when I withdraw, they will take their fees. So they are making money. So the site is making money. So it's not a site that Nairawoker is not a site that was set up to take from you. So it's not a scam. It's legit. That is number one green flag I saw in this. So because of that, they're able to regulate how people use it. And so it's very, very legit. So I don't know what you guys think about this whole thing about Nairawoker, and please, I'd love to hear from you and hear your own opinion. And if you have used the site before and you are having some challenges and there are some things that you didn't understand quite well, you can actually drop your complaints or your review on the comment section. And remember, this is also review. Keep hustling. Let's keep doing it. It's not only let's do something that we put a job in our hands. Let's do something aside also. So this is good. This is number one passive income I will actually advise for every young Nigerians. So guys, see you in the next video. And remember, keep hustling.